Hey guys, it's Law here, and today I'm going to show you how to erase your MEID and your ESN off in Evo 4G. This method that I'm using will work on an Evo Shift and an Evo 3D, I think. Alright, so let's get started. The first things is that you're going to need the USB drivers and the diagonal drivers for the HTC Evo installed on your computer. I'm not going to show you where to get that because, I mean, you should already have that. I would hope. Then on your phone, you're going to want to, there we go. What I did was I went to SOFF and I downgraded my radio. Actually, I downgraded the whole freaking thing to baseband version 2.15.00.11.19. I actually went to the second stock RU and I used that one and I upgraded it once and it took me right where I needed to be. Okay, the Froyo football posted it somewhere. All right, now on your phone you're gonna want to type pound 786 to get your ESN. If you need your ESN, it's gonna be your MEID hex. But right now I'm gonna take you into diag mode, which is pound diag pound. Okay. Now we need to connect to it. So to connect to it, let's go to devices and printers, Android phone, HTC USB modem, double click it, and we're going to look for the port is COM6, so that's what we need to connect to. So let's get cancel, close that. Now let's open up CDMA Workshop. COM6, connect to COM port 6 successfully. And it's not going to be COM port 6 on your laptop or your computer. It may, but that's going to be very rare. Okay, so we're going to go over to security, and it's asking for your SPC. SPC is MSL. You can get these several ways, but the easiest way for the Evo is to go into the market and download MSL Reader, and it'll give you that. So mine, what I do automatically is I'll enter the SPC, which was probably like 95 something or another, right? And then I'll enter zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'll click on SPC and I'll click write. That way I don't forget it. I've already done that, so I'm just going to hit send. Failed, phone does not respond. That's kind of odd, isn't it? There it goes. Not sure why that's happening right now. It's kind of odd, to be honest with you. Okay, so we're going to go to memory, and we're going to scan the memory. Now what we're trying to get here is we're trying to get a readable area, an unreadable area, and we're trying to get 2 of these. So we've got those right now. We can actually stop this right now. So let's go hit your start key, and you can type calculator, but I keep it right here. Now typical view when you open this is going to be standard. You're going to want to change it to programmer, and you're going to want to enter in hex this first number right here. So FA 1, 2, 3, 4 minus, and the easier way is to type FF1234. Okay, hit equal and then hit DEC. So we got 327680. Do that with the second number and make sure you store these. So okay, so you got the next number is 109000 subtracted by 1DA1234 equals, turn to decimal, 136.97024. Alright, y'all have a good time. Okay, let's get out of there. Now, what we want to do is, dogs out there going crazy. Okay, so now the next thing that we want to do is to type in FA 327680 and read it. I'm going to store this on my desktop. We're going to call it FA YouTube Evo. It's very important. Alright, so now we're going to start the second one. 136.97024. Hey guys, so now that we've downloaded those bin files, what we're going to want to do is open up your hex editor, open up the bin, go up here to search, find hex values. Now, you're going to want to enter in your MEID backwards. So for instance, I may have covered this in the last part of the video, but I'm going to cover it again just because. Alright, so your MEID is A5245 blah blah. Okay. What you're going to want to do is enter 34520000A0. Okay. I know somebody's going to say something about that. No, that's right. Okay. So basically it's just backwards, but it is, but it isn't. Anyways, so you're going to take this number right here, we're going to copy this, and we're going to go into WinHex and hit Control V. Okay. Well, that's not going to be found, so let's hit Control Alt F and hit 09090909. Don't actually hit that, I'm just using that example. Okay. So we found it right here. Here it is. It is on line 00001369. So we're gonna use our favorite text editor, Notepad++. I should be getting paid, bitches. That sounded stupid saying that. Anyways, and we're gonna put 000 1343. Okay, now we're going to go back to here. We're going to hit the F3 key, and I found every location where that's going to be at in FA000. So what I'm going to do is open up 109 blah blah blah. Hit Control Alt F, and we're going to look for that. Now I'm going to write down this number in the text editor. So it was like 0087 6E44. E44. I put raw. Calculated. So this first one was found in FA, and the second one is found in FA 1234, and the second one is found in 109 1234. So I'm open up the calculator, and I'm gonna type in FA 1234 plus 1343. If you hit zeros, for instance, if you hit 000, it's not going to type anything. So you hit 1343. Enter. So we got FA 1343. I don't know why it took me so long. Okay. Now that we're done with that, and that is how you find out the hex locations. And I'm going to stop the video right there for now. Okay, so we're almost done now. What we need to now do is to go into QXDM. Obviously, there's a I'm connected right now, but you go to Communications, COM6, and say Memory Viewer wasn't open. What we do is we go into Options, View, and then Memory Viewer. Okay. So let's click right here and let's hit SPC 1 2 3 4 5 6. Hit Enter. You look on Command Output. It tells you, by the way, this crap right here, Item View, erase this. It's just stupid. I don't know why it's there. I'm not 100% sure. This right here tells you exactly what's happening. All that other stuff, you don't really need that. You know. So you can change everything just by hitting that. I can't get over that right there. All right, I'm sorry. Okay, so your memory viewer. Whoa. All right. What you want to do is type in. See, we need FA1343. So what we want to do is we want to start. It's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I've got 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what I want to do is type 00 FA1343. Yeah, I know. I said it retarded, but hit Enter key. Now it's going to show you this. Okay, so now we're going to go for our ESN, which is it's going to be on here. It's going to be reversed. Here's the thing, guys. I've already erased the ESN off of here. But say, for instance, it was this right here. It was this 00000000. Okay? When you see it go red, that means it's been changed. Then you'll hit right. Now you just go through all your memory offsets that you found inside of FA0000 and 109.0.0.0.0, and you just go through and you erase them all. My particular process in this is to go through, erase all the MEIDs, hit erase or hit reset phone. So once you hit right, which I'm not going to do, you go up to reset target, and it's going to reboot your device. And when you get back in, you hit pound 786, and it'll show your MEID is 00000. And that's basically about it, man. Do the same thing with the ESN, and you have a good night, because I'm done.